Hey everyone, it's your name from Kalyan Digital, and let's face it, growing your online store takes more than just a great product. You need a solid marketing strategy, and email marketing, that's where the magic happens. Welcome to our guide on mastering e-commerce email marketing. We'll explore key strategies, best practices, and essential tools to boost your sales and engagement. Actionable advice you can use right now to see real results. So, if you're ready to turn subscribers into loyal customers, buckle up because we're diving in. Start strong with a warm welcome email. Thank new subscribers, introduce your brand, and incentivize that first purchase. Don't let abandoned carts hurt your bottom line. Set up automated emails to remind customers about items left behind and bring them back to complete their purchase. Want to boost sales? Craft compelling promotional emails showcasing your products, offering discounts, and announcing flash sales to create urgency. Chapter 4. Transactional emails are key for a smooth customer experience. Confirm orders, provide shipping updates, and offer support to build trust, keeping customers informed every step of the way. Chapter 5. Engage your audience with regular newsletters. Share updates, company news, industry insights, and exclusive offers to keep them coming back. Chapter 6. Stop wasting time with generic blasts. Segment your email list by demographics, purchase history, and behavior to deliver relevant content. Chapter 7. Personalization. Make it personal. Customers love to feel special. Use their data to personalize emails with their names, recommend products they'll love, and tailor your message for a personal experience. Chapter 8. Automation. Work smarter, not harder. Want to save time and boost efficiency? Embrace marketing automation to send targeted emails based on customer behavior, ensuring you're engaging at the right moment. Chapter 9. Optimization. Go mobile or go home. In today's mobile-first world, optimizing emails for all devices is crucial. Ensure your emails look great on any screen size for a seamless experience. Chapter 10. Never stop testing. A/B test different elements like subject lines, email copy, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience and continuously improve results. Chapter 11. Looking for a user-friendly platform to manage your email marketing campaigns. Mailchimp is a popular choice, offering a range of features and integrations to simplify your marketing efforts. Chapter 12. For e-commerce, Klaviyo is a game changer. This platform is designed for online stores offering advanced segmentation, automation, and personalization. Chapter 13. Constant Contact is another great option for businesses looking for an easy-to-use platform with robust features. They offer e-commerce integrations, automation, and tools to streamline your marketing efforts. Chapter 14. If you need a comprehensive solution, HubSpot's got you covered. Their all-in-one platform includes email marketing, CRM, sales, and customer service tools, all in one convenient place. Chapter 15. Sendinblue is a great choice for businesses, offering powerful automation features and e-commerce integrations at a competitive price. There you have it, the keys to unlocking the power of e-commerce email marketing. Building strong relationships with your customers is an ongoing process. Implement these strategies and tools to boost sales, increase engagement, and take your online business to new heights. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your online business. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're excited to try first. Until next time, keep crushing it.